Hey good people, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing Sunday. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be decorating my front porch for Christmas. I'm so excited because I try to get all of my Christmas decor up before December 1. Sometimes I'm not able to always make it before Thanksgiving, which is fine. As long as I get everything up before December 1, your girl is good. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. So excited. I'm going to try to use a combination of the colors that I use inside my home. So with that being said, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to post it in the description. Talking so fast, y'all. So those colors are going to consist of both traditional colors as well as some moody colors. So you got your brown, your golds, and then your red. So those are the color combination I want to use on the front porch area. Now, here's the thing. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I don't want to overwhelm the space because the space is already small anyway. So just a nice few festive touches just to kind of bring in the holiday spirit, make everything welcoming and inviting. So yeah, without further ado, let's first go ahead and take a look at that space, and then we're going to clean it and get started with decorating. So let's go. All right, y'all, so let's first go ahead and take a look at the space. And you can see my doggies in the in the doorway. But anyway, y'all, this is what the space is looking like. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I do need to clean that storm door. I'm gonna definitely remove these plants here, this potted plant, hanging plant. And I just want to make this space look really, really nice and festive. So we're going to go ahead and first get started with just cleaning the door. I'm going to sweep off the steps a little bit. And yeah, we should be able to go ahead and jump right in and get everything nice and decorated. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started with just cleaning the storm door. That's the only thing I hate about having the storm door is I feel like I'm constantly having to keep the glass clean because of fingerprints and things. But anyway, it is what it is. But also, I just wanted to say I hope you guys had a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving holiday. And I really, really do appreciate all the love and support you guys show me on my channel. You guys just don't know. It means absolutely the world to me. So I do thank God for each and every one of you. So y'all, I have been debating on whether or not if I wanted to decorate the outside of my house for Christmas, you know, like the exterior portion of my house, as well as the yard space. Normally, I would decorate every single year. I never miss a year. But I don't know. I feel like this year I'm just not really feeling it. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing because I need some motivation. And I normally go to you guys for the motivation. So let me know if you decorated the exterior portion of your house, your yard. Maybe that will boost my spirits and make me want to do it. But yeah, let me know in the comments, you guys, what you decided to do. All right, y'all, so one of the first things I want to do is I want to hang up some lights on the ceiling portion of this porch. I think that's going to look really, really cute, kind of draping down a little bit. I feel like that's just going to make it look a little bit more festive, even more festive than before. So that's what I want to go ahead and do first. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I just want to show you guys right quickly what the ceiling looks like. Now, how I'm going to have to do it because I'm not going to go all the way up to that middle area up here. I'm not going to go that high up. I'm just going to kind of zigzag it from one side to the next and just kind of staple it with my staple gun. So that's how I'm going to have to do this. Yeah, so I'll, staple one here and then come back on this side and just staple it across and just kind of go like in a zigzag. So that's what I'm planning to do. So let's go ahead and get started. right, y'all, so you guys will notice that I am trying to untangle these icicle lights. Y'all, whew, this is a workout. So what I did first of all was I actually attached an extension cord high up here, and you can kind of see that a little bit. So then that way I can plug in the icicle lights and just kind of carry it throughout the ceiling. So that's what I did here. I just used a zip tie and just stapled it to the ceiling. And I started at first doing the lights kind of like a zigzag. And when I stepped back, I did not like the way it looked. So I did end up changing what I did to the lights. And you guys will see that at the end. But in the meantime, I'm actually just going to be using some zip ties and my staple gun to attach the lights to the ceiling. All right, y'all, so it is starting to get pretty late in the evening, and I still have quite a few things I need to do. So these large ornaments here, I got these from Lowe's. They were like $6.98 each. They're about the size of your hand. What I did was I attached these to some twine, and I have the twine at different lengths because I want to hang these in the ceiling because I think that's going to be so pretty. I want something that's not only going to look nice on the porch, on the floor area, but I want something to draw your eyes upward. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with hanging these. Okay, so the time is 4 p.m., which means I only have about an hour to get everything done. So y'all, we about to get cracking. So now I just want to show you some of the items I'm going to be using. Some came from Walmart. The majority actually came from Lowe's. So let's take a look at these items, and I will have these linked in the description as well. So let's take a look. So I'm going to be using this cute little set here. It's a 4-piece holiday decor set for outdoors. I thought this was so cute, guys, and this was literally only like, I want to say maybe like $60 total, because it was like $59.99. I'll be sure and link it in the description, but it's pre-lit, and I think that's going to be perfect in that space. And of course I'm going to be decorating with my red bulbs, and I have a few of the brown that I'm going to be adding as well. All of this actually came from Lowe's. And then I ran to Walmart and got a few little red ribbons to put on the tree, or maybe I'll put these on the outside lights on the sconces. But yeah, either way, let's go ahead and get this unwrapped so we can go ahead and decorate the front porch. right, y'all, so here's the final look of the front porch Christmas decorations. This is the next day. Unfortunately, it's really, really cloudy outside, so the lighting is absolutely the worst. And you can see here at the top where I added the ornaments. I really, really like the way it looks. I just wish the lighting was better. But like I told you guys before, it's cloudy, it's about to rain, so I just kind of wanted to come out and just kind of give you guys a quick look at what the space looks like. But as you can see, it's more so on the traditional side. I did incorporate a lot of the brown ornaments, which I absolutely love. I think it just ties in really, really well with everything else, with the red and the gold. This little decor set, the 4-piece set that I purchased from Lowe's, which included the garland, the wreath, and the 2 trees, such a great buy, you guys. If you are looking for something to decorate your front porch to make it look nice, stylish, traditional, whatever the case is, this is definitely a very inexpensive set that you can purchase. I really, really love the way this looks. Tell me, guys, in the comments what you thought of the ornaments on the ceiling. What did you think? I really love it. I think it really, really draws your eyes up to the ceiling, especially at night. And you guys will see the nighttime view with the icicle lights lit up and everything. I think it really, really pops so much, especially at night. But in the daytime, it definitely draws your eyes. So I really, really love the way it looks. It's nice, it's simple, it's not too much. I feel like it's just enough, especially for this small area. I have a really, really small front porch, as you can see, so I didn't want to overcrowd it, but I did want to make it more welcoming, definitely festive and inviting. And I don't know, I feel like I accomplished that. I really, really like the way everything turned out. But again, let me know in the comments what you guys thought of everything. You can see here that I also kept the jute rug. I did that because I really didn't want to put too much colors with this. You could add a red rug. I think a red rug would have really made it pop even more, but I didn't want to go out and buy anything additional. So I just kept the jute rug. I think it really, really balances out the other colors well. But yeah, I just hate the lighting. It's just so dark. You can't really, really see it unless I go directly up on it. Oh my goodness. But anyway, again, tell me in the comments what you guys thought of everything. Yeah, I absolutely love the way this turned out. Also, if I failed to mention, this 4-piece set, the pine cones that you see on the wreath and on the trees, those automatically came on it. That was already there, including the little red berries. So it came with the acorns, it came with the berries. So you literally can just put this up. It's pre-lit, so you don't have to add any lights, and you don't have to add any other decorations if you don't want to. Maybe a cute bow or something. That would be great. I didn't have to add these ornaments, these colorful ornaments to it, because it would have been fine even without it. But just to kind of give you guys an idea of how nice this 4-piece set is. Yeah, you don't even have to decorate it. Just simply take it out the box, fluff up the garland and the wreath a little bit and the tree, and go on your merry way and just light it up. And it's beautiful at night. Just absolutely gorgeous. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way, bells on bobtail ring. And don't forget about the nighttime view. That's coming up in a few seconds. But also, I wanted to welcome you if you are new to this channel and visiting for the first time. My name is Carolina, and it is such a great pleasure having you here. And if this is the type of content you enjoy and find interesting, I would absolutely love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my existing subscribers, guys, you know I absolutely, absolutely love you all. Thank you guys so much for all of your support on my channel, for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoy the nighttime view. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and happy holiday season, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Until then, bye now.